So today I will be teaching Brittany how to play the clarinet. So first you want to take it out of the case. By doing that, you take the bell. We start from bottom to top. So take the bell and the lower, this is called the lower joint, and just push it. And okay. Then you take the upper joint. And you want to make sure that there's two lines, it's called the bridge key. You want to make sure those are connected because that's how the bottom and top parts connect. So. And then this is the barrel. You want to just put that on. Yeah, the clarinets have a lot of pieces compared.
10 pieces here.
And then, same with saxophone, you have a mouthpiece and a ligature. And just put that on. And then you take your reed, same with saxophone, just wet it. And then make sure it's lined. Okay, so the one thing different about saxophone and clarinet is that with saxophone, I noticed that you all have your bottom lip out more, but with the clarinet, you flatten it and then you roll it under.
Okay.
So, well first, so it's pretty much the same as saxophone, seal it, yeah. You want to try and play a note?
Sure.
Oh my goodness. Okay. That's pretty good. And then hand position, it's basically the same. Make sure, you want to be able to fit a can between it, have that curved fingers. So, okay. You just want to do a C scale too?
Sure.
Okay. So, do you know the notes? We're gonna start with C. I'll play with you. C. D. E. F is just open is G. A is this. And then, B. That's every 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then that one. Yeah. And then C is, you just lift that and then that, yeah. You want to go back down?
Sure.
Okay. A. Pretty good. I just noticed that your fingers were starting to go away as you went over the break. But the one thing different about saxophone is that there's actual buttons on the saxophone, but the clarinet you have to make sure that your fingers actually do cover the holes because you want to have an air leak or a squeak. Okay, so one of the trickiest techniques with the clarinet is going over the break. So by doing that, do you want to play open G?
Sure.
Oh. And then A. And then B. And C. And then D. Back down the scale. Oh, whenever you go over the break, just make sure your hands don't fall, slide either. Keep them close to the keys.
Okay.
And do you want to go a little faster? I'll play with you.
Sure.
So a song that would go well with going over the break would be Jingle Bells. So by doing that, it starts on B. So you know how the tune goes. So,
yeah.
Da, da, da. So I'll play with you. sorry, D. Sounds good. Well, she's a saxophone player, and she learned the C major scale, and we also did an over the break technique exercise and ended it with the jingle bells. Okay, so now that you've successfully played a beginner exercise, we're going to learn how to take it apart. So usually I just start with the top so we don't prevent breaking the reed. So take the reed off and then put it in its plastic case. And then take off the ligature and mouthpiece. And then usually from there, you can either start from the barrel or the bell, but just carefully don't pull too fast or the cork over it. And just put it in the case. And you're good to go.